Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about GALAX GeForce RTX 4060 low profile graphics card with 3 fan and all white design. So friend, GALAX has introduced a new entry-level RTX 4060 graphics card with 3 fan and low profile design. And GALAX HOF series stand out the featuring white PCB design which were among the first of their kind as this design first to their kind, and this design choice increased production cost and was largely avoided by other manufacturers for a long time. And this type of GPU are typically found in small form factor PC on streaming setup despite its compact size, and the card doesn't cut back on features. It includes 4 display connectors and single 8-pin power connector while maintaining the full specification of RTX 4060 SKU and the RTX 4060 LP from Galax, shipped with AD107 GPU with 3072 CUDA cores and 8 GB GDDR6 memory, and it is a 115 watt TDP model featuring 3 into DisplayPort 1.4a and one HDMI 2.1 connector, and its price around $350. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.